Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these GenTeal Tears Lubricant Eye Ointment. And this is for severe dry eye, which I have, and it's nighttime ointment for long-lasting nighttime relief. So this saves me. I mean, I have really dry eyes. Eye drops do not work, but using this at night really does the trick. So check out the back. This is the drug facts. Here we go. So I use this every night, and excuse me, a little stiffly today. I wish this came in a bigger package, but look at this. It's like super tiny, but it does the trick. So let me show you. Put the package down. But super tiny packaging, and product works well, but just wish this was bigger. So let me open this, show you guys what it looks like. Open it, and you're supposed to dispense a little bit, but oops, it does not last me very long, but product works, which is what I like. And again, if you have super dry eyes and eye drops aren't working, this is what you need, this lubricant eye ointment for nighttime relief, and super good, highly recommend it. So hope you got a feel for how small this is, but promise you it works really well. Yep, please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.